Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove dashboard Infiniti G37. First, disconnect the battery and remove the hood latch cover to ensure safety. Start by removing trim panels with a plastic trim tool, keeping each screw organized in labeled containers. Carefully unplug electrical connectors and set the radio and climate controls aside. Keep a soft blanket to protect the dash finish and take photos as you go to aid reassembly later. Begin by removing the cup holder trim and center console screws to reveal underlying fasteners and connectors. Gently pry trim away using a plastic tool to avoid scratching surfaces, then unplug the shifter and accessory connectors before lifting the console straight up. Place removed parts in order and note any broken clips for replacement. Staying methodical here prevents surprises when reinstalling the dash components later. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read repair manuals and wiring diagrams right in the garage, with glare-free pages and long battery life. It's a handy companion for any DIY mechanic who wants reference material at arm's reach. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After exposing the instrument cluster trim and removing securing screws, release the dash panel clips working from the center outward. Carefully disconnect the passenger airbag connector using anti-static techniques and follow safety guidelines for airbag handling. Slowly tilt the dash forward while watching for wiring harnesses and ground straps that may still be attached. Enlist a helper for larger movements to avoid stress on the wiring and to keep components aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.